what did we just decide to do?
Randomly eat lunch at the Rainforest Cafe at Disney Springs.
Oh look! Monkeys have Santa hats on them.
Oh yeah. Oh look, the tree just blinked. You're wearing kind of like a rainforest hat.
Hi, Tracy.
Two things we have to leave Disney Springs with every time we come. For me, it's the chocolate Mickey eaters, and for Amanda, it's something custom.
I build your own caramel apple. I've gotten it for many years in the past, and then last year we came here and they didn't have that. There was no form, you couldn't build your own caramel apple, and I was devastated. So I had Chris run in this year and I was like, oh, just see if they have the build your own caramel apple. Sure enough, they do. So I'm gonna fill it out. It's all right. Yum.
It's basically vanilla ice cream covered in chocolate.
Mickey ears. Look at the sprinkles.
Wow, look at that. All for me.
No.
Well, you didn't want to share with mommy. You kept saying no.
Yeah, maybe one bite.
No. 66 bites.
66 bites.
Wow.
Look at the sprinkles. The sprinkles have Mickey ears.
I've been waiting years for one of these. Better get home before it melts.
Aren't you gonna eat it here?
I need a knife.
All right, we've been at Disney Springs way too long.
All day.
All day. We started just to come, and then we somehow ended up having lunch at the Rainforest Cafe, and then we walked around. You saw all the Christmas trees. Amanda, of course, had to get her custom-made candy apple.
Disney Springs.
What is it, the candy apple or
Caramel apple.
caramel apple
Caramel.
instead of a candy apple? It's gonna be it for the day 9 of Vlogmas. Thank you for coming along with us again. So hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram at Type1Detour, and come back tomorrow for day 10 of Vlogmas. We're almost halfway there. So thank you again for coming along with us the first 9 days, and we'll see you on the next one.